Welcome to my channel. My name's Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands. So if that's what you're into, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and let's go ahead and get started on today's video. So today's video is going to be one of the e.l.f. Perfect 10 eyeshadow palettes. I got an email that I had like a bunch of points that were going to be expiring, so I had to place an order. So I got 4 of these, and today this is going to be the Intergalactic palette. Here is the inside of this little palette. These are a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but I feel like it'd be perfect for travel. And hopefully these, I kind of swatched these last night and some of them made me a little nervous. I got the feeling that they could turn hard panned. But the mattes, you guys, so I filmed yesterday, no issues with my camera. If you watch the videos that go up before this, it's been doing me dirty and stopping recording for no reason. I think I need to delete a bunch of stuff off my memory card. I've been going out doing photography, and so I need to clean up a bunch of space in my memory card. So I think that's the issue, because like yesterday was good and today I took a bunch of pictures after filming, whatever. Point being said, I don't know where I left off, but I think I was mentioning how the mattes, because I got, I think 3 of these the tin pan palettes. The mattes are buttery phenomenal. I haven't used it on my eyes, but just swatching. But some of the shimmers felt like they could maybe go hard pan. So we're going to see what happens, and let's just get started. I guess we can do 2 looks. Again, there's 10 different shadows, so I think we should be able to make it work. So, oh, and these also don't have names. I'm sorry. So let's start out with this shade right here, and I also have fat fingers, but it's this one, so I'm going to do my best to show you guys which one I'm talking about. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Hopefully my camera will, usually after it like kicks me out, with the exception of that one time when it did like 5 or 6 times, usually it's good. So I'm hoping that we can get most of this video filmed without me having to completely like mess with it and get it going again. Okay, so yes, this is blending beautifully. Decent pigment. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna do something kind of simple. Nothing too crazy. Because again, we only have like so many shades to work with, so we'll see what we can do. Because I'm kind of thinking we're probably just gonna go shimmer on the whole lid, I think. Let's see, like, let's take some of that NYX glitter glue and let's see what happens. All right, now what shade do I want to go with? Like, I'm thinking either that blue or this purple right here. Let's do one eye purple, one eye blue, and then maybe we'll put a little like hint of something in the middle. So let's start out, let's do this eye. Let's do the blue, because I feel like that one was one of them that might kind of be hard to put on. It feels a little harder. This is one of them that, I think this is more of like an actual glitter though. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful, but last night when I kind of swatched it, it was kind of splotchy, I guess, is the word I'm looking for. But it's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful shade. Sorry, you guys, I can feel hair on my face. It's hot, so my makeup isn't really setting down as well, and I kind of am getting sweaty. I know, it's like the beginning of November and we're having like a heat wave here in the Midwest. It's gonna be like in the 80s tomorrow. Okay, I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. It's so pretty. And I think it's going on well now that I'm kind of getting it, working with it, getting it worked around. All right, that is very, very pretty. Now, I think I just want to go ahead and in the center, just put a little dollop of, let's do this silver shade right here. That one. No, right there. All right. Yeah, this one kind of feels like it might go hard pan, but it is really, really, really pretty. Okay, so you can kind of see a little bit of a difference there in the center. These are definitely, that blue shade is definitely a chunkier formula. So it's going to show the texture. If you can, hopefully y'all can see that. But it is a very, very, very beautiful shade. Okay, so for now, the next eye, we're going to start out with this shade right here. Again, these mattes are absolutely... And my camera kicked me out again. So, yeah. Every time I start talking about these buttery mattes, it seems like that's when my camera's like, nope, you will not talk about those buttery mattes. But if I mention how amazing and buttery these mattes are... No, but in all seriousness, you guys, these are absolutely phenomenal. I am very, very, very much so enjoying these. I'm like destroying my makeup because I can feel like a little hair from my brush on my face. I'm trying to get it off. You know, I'm not that matte girl. I like the shimmers, but I could see myself rocking an all matte look with these mattes because they are that good. So if that gives you any indication as to how amazing these palettes are, and they're $10 for 10 shades. That's a bargain, you guys. Total bargain. All right. Yeah, I just love just how these mattes just blend out. They're just, it's seamless. I mean, it's amazing. Okay, now focus. Gotta take that NYX glitter glue, you know, and we're gonna put that all over the entire lid. I just realized I did not do anything for this lower lash line over here, so we need to fix that. I guess I'll just go ahead and do my shimmer shade for this eye, and then we'll mess with the lower lash line after that, since I've totally gotten us off track. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this really pretty purple shade right here. This one does not look as chunky and as textured as the blue one, so I feel like it's probably gonna go on a lot easier. Maybe. This is coming out like, looks like it has like little blue specks in it, and I swear I wiped my brush off, so it's not from that other shade. That's just how this is. So these you definitely have to work with, but you get that beautiful end result if you just layer it a couple times. So it's not the end of the world. I mean, is it like one of those amazing indie shimmers that we all know and love? No, but can you get it to where it looks nice and this is very affordable? Yes, you can. yeah, I mean, just a couple little back and forths, and this is built up nicely. No complaints. And I absolutely love this shade. This is a really fun palette. And again, it's only $10. I still love my indie brands, but if you want some really cool, fun shades on a budget, this is perfect for that. Okay, so I'm gonna take this mint greeny shade right here and just dab that in the center of the purple shade, just because I feel like that would just be fun. Yeah, okay. Now, I did have a crap ton of fallout there with that purple shade. Not so much with the blue shade, but the purple one did have a lot of fallout. Let's go ahead and do the lower lash lines, and I think I'm just gonna go with this shade for both of them just to make it easy. Alright, y'all, oh, we gotta do a little lower inner corner highlight. We'll just go with that pretty mint blue green shade. So, so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna go do my mascara, clean up some fallout, and I'll be right back. So I am back, and these are the finished looks. And I am kind of shocked at how beautiful these looks turned out. You do need to work with some of these shimmer shades a little bit more. They just take a little bit more building up. However, the end result is absolutely beautiful. So for $10, I mean, these palettes, or at least this one, I've got 3 other ones to try out. But this is the e.l.f. Perfect 10 eyeshadow palette in the shade Intergalactic, or the palette is the Intergalactic one. And again, just see how beautiful these are. And again, these mattes, so good. So I really enjoyed that palette. And then really quick, what's on my lips. I did do a little switch. I had one on, and then when I was cleaning up some fallout, I just kind of wiped it off and tried to put something else on. And this is just the ColourPop Lippie Sticks in the shade Slacker. Here's what that looks like. So yeah, that is today's look. That's it. Thank y'all so much for supporting my channel, for being so amazing, for just showing me so much love. It means the world to me. I don't think I'll ever be able to thank y'all enough. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and just remember that you're loved, you're amazing, and I hope you have a wonderful day, morning, night, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.